Video 7 then. This video is taking a quick look at brackets and what they mean before we look at them in a little bit more depth in BIDMAS. So what do brackets actually mean? Well, here we've got a sum 4 times 2 inside brackets and adding 3 on. And what this is telling us is you've got to do whatever is in the brackets before you do whatever is outside. So I might look at this as 2 add 3 times 4. And 2 add 3 times 4, or 5 times 4, gives us 20. However, what I should have done is whatever's in the brackets first, 4 times 2, giving me 8, and then adding the 3 on. 8 add 3 is 11. So you can see there's a very big difference just because I kind of ignored the brackets. This kind of order of things we'll have a look at as well when we do BIDMAS. But the important thing is here is if we don't do the things in the right order, the operators in the right order, that means plus, times, powers, brackets and so on, then we can get very different answers. So you have to make sure you do whatever is in the brackets first. Now, there are actually invisible signs in maths, which sometimes makes things a pain, but we have to remember them. With brackets, when a number, or later when you do algebra, when a letter is up against the brackets, it means times. So by here we've got 2 bracket 5 plus 3 close bracket. What that actually means is there's a times sign between the 2 and the bracket. So we're multiplying whatever's in the brackets by 2. So I do the 5 add 3 to give 8. Remember, do what's in the brackets first, and then I multiply it by 2. 2 times 8 gives me 16. People might make the mistake of thinking, right, we just put the 2 next to whatever's in the brackets, giving 28, but it actually means 2 times the 8. You've got to remember as well that when we do a power, that's when we multiply it by itself so many times, but there's a separate video on that. We do a power to everything that's in the brackets. So in this case, we've got 5 plus 3 in the brackets and a what we call to the power of 2 or squaring outside it. And what this is telling us is not to square the number 3, not to multiply the 3 by itself, but to multiply everything in the brackets by it. So that will give us 5 add 3 is 8, and it's telling us to square the number 8.